Yes, Etsy family. I hope you guys are well, man. I hope you guys are well. Guys, I'm just annoyed. I'm really, really annoyed. And anything's annoying me now, especially with recent changes that Etsy's been doing. It could be anything, right? But I'm just not happy. And today I just want to talk about something that really bugs me, that really annoys me on the Etsy platform. Let me just show it to you in a second. Look at this. Now, I just typed in skulls, right? I do like skulls and flowers images. They're really cool, really like them. So I'm just kind of looking down, see what's what. And you've got to imagine, look, let's say you're an Etsy seller, right? Imagine you're trying to sell your listing, your product, and then in the last second, someone doesn't buy it and it doesn't convert and they buy somebody else's. Wouldn't it annoy you? So, can someone please explain this to me, right? Let's say I like something that I want to buy, I want to buy a really nice design. Some skulls and flowers. These are really nice. Look at this one. Ooh, skull and flowers. Ooh, this is lovely. Let me just click on this, right? Let me just go to this for a second. I want to show you what I'm talking about, why I'm annoyed so much. Okay, so I'm on this really cool, fabuloso skulls, butterfly, and flowers. Really nice, really like it. So let's say I just want to get one of these. Even though I probably can create something. But I'm just showing an example. Let's say this is your listing, right? This is your listing, and somebody's having a look thinking, oh, this is cool. Really like it. Okay, they've got reviews. The reviews look good as well. Very positive. I'm happy with everything. And you want to go ahead and buy it, right? You're looking down, you're looking at the reviews. You're looking at the photos for the reviews. You like them. You're looking at more from the shop and you're going down. And then you come down and then it tells you, look at these. You may also like, firstly, if I've gone into a listing, why is Etsy showing me other people's listings? Like, that's one thing that really annoys me. I don't like the fact that other people's listings are getting promoted on my listing. Like, imagine they liked what they saw, and then all of a sudden they might say, actually, I like this one. I like this one. I like this one more. And they go and click on it and buy it. And then they see the price and they think, wow, yeah, this is better. This, like, why show the buyers other people's listings once they've clicked on mine? They can already see it already from the pages. They can sift through. But when they're coming, isn't that going to lower my conversion? Isn't that going to lower the chances of me selling? Yes, of course it will, because they're going to come down. They're going to look at someone else's. And check this out. This is where it gets worse, right? You think this is bad, but look at it when it gets worse, right? Obviously they look at the buyer's favorite, but this is where it gets worse, guys. Look, I'll go up and let's say, I'm happy and I want to buy it. That's it. Add to basket. Boom. Ready to go. Okay, so even like when you go to the checker, right? You clicked it, all right? I've clicked on it and I'm ready to buy. Look, check this out. more competitors underneath to change your mind. Like, why would you do that? I'm converting, man. Don't take it away from me. Don't take my sale away from me, man. Like, why would you do that? Like, look, and there's so many of them as well. Look, all these ones. Well, that one, the bottom line is from the actual the seller itself. But look, this is mad. So this is the seller's listings, other listings, right? But they put the seller's listings under the competitors. So they prioritize the competitors to you. Makes no sense. Like that just makes no sense, guys. And this is the problem. This is the problem, is that even when we are losing. Look, this is what's happening. We are definitely losing customers. We are definitely losing customers because of this, by Etsy, because they just want to try and get a sale. They are giving the seller a difficult time by giving the buyer so many other options to actually come away from your page, from your listing, and buy someone else's. And this is my issue today. My issue is I'm so annoyed. Like, drop me a comment below. What annoys you? What's your annoyance on the Etsy platform? What bugs you? What makes you just your blood boil as well? But this is one of my annoying things that I keep seeing. And just whenever I go down on a listing and I see other competitors there, it just makes me so mad, because I'm thinking, don't take it away from me, man. Don't take it away. But anyways, I want to leave it there. That's just today's annoyance. But if you like the video, if you do have a comment, drop it below, and I shall see you on the next one. Take care, mate. Take care.